So, you're looking to sign up your first clients as a life coach? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up 6 in your first week.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the Marketing Shaman, and I help life coaches and healers make their first 10K payday, right, for their life coach and healing business with profitable presentations. And in today's video, we're specifically going to be talking about how you can go out there in 1 week and you can generate, right, multiple clients for your life coach and healing business with running profitable presentations. We're going to talk about the 3 specific things that you need to be doing so that you can go out there and run, right, a successful, profitable presentation for your life coach and healing business so you can go out there and sign up new clients this week. Let's rock and roll. Before we get into the 3-step system, let's first go over specifically why are you even going to get paid as a life coach to begin with? Why are people going to pay you money? And we want to make sure we understand this because this is really going to help us when we're going out there to try to sign up clients every day or every week, specifically every day as well, all right? And what we want to make sure that we are doing, right, is understanding that as a coach, right, we are there to be a guide. Right? The clients that we sign up, right, they have goals, they have desires, and they have targets, and that's up here. And we meet them usually down here when they haven't reached those goals, targets, right, or anything like that. And the reason they sign up with us as a coach is because we play that guide. And we usually are able to not only help them solve their problem, but we're able to help them solve that problem a lot faster. So we want to make sure as a coach, we not only are just like, hey, I'm going to hop on a call with you and help you with advice, we're also going to be able to give them something, give them a system, give them, something that they can follow. Right? A specific way that is going to be able to squash that problem that they have and help them not only get to the promised land, get to the place they want to get to, but help them get there a lot faster. All right, so the first step of the Life Coach Launch System, which is our 3-step selling system for going out there and signing up multiple clients, right, for your life coach and healing business here in the every single week, is we call this identification. So what identification is identifying specifically, right, who it is that you are wanting to help and specifically, right, how you can help them. And we do that a few different ways. The first different way is specifically by finding your perfect profitable niche. We want to make sure that we understand, right, that life coaches are working out of 3 core markets: health, wealth, and relationships, and we want to make sure that we identify not only the core market, but the specific niche that we are wanting to serve. We then want to make sure that we create an irresistible life coaching offer that is going to be able to go out there and be so irresistible. The prospects that see it are going to feel absolutely stupid at saying no to it. And we have our other videos here on our channel that specifically talk about the Life Coach Launch offer formula. Make sure to go out over there on our channel and watch that. They're very detailed and they specifically go over how you, not only what the formula is, but how you can specifically use it in your life coach and healing business right now. So, and then last and certainly not least in this section, we want to make sure that we create right messaging, right, that so we can communicate right with the people who need our help right now. We want to make sure that we go out there and create specific messages so that we can go out there and communicate with them in a multitude of different distribution channels: social media, email, text, right, and specifically on live videos or on stage during profitable presentations. Before I go into this next piece of specifically profitable presentations and how you can sign up clients every single week with those profitable presentations, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day showing life coaches and healers how they can make their first or next 100K with profitable presentations. Make sure to click that button below and subscribe. All right, so step 2 of this Life Coach Launch 3-step selling system is going to be classify as presentation. And what presentation is it equals into profitable presentations that we run every single week right here at Life Coach Launch, and what we teach our clients to run every single week in their life coach and healing businesses so they can go out there and create a 10K payday for their life coach and healing business every single month. Now, what we want to do is obviously putting on a presentation is one thing, but there's multiple different types of presentations that we can put on, and we want to figure out what is the best type of presentation that we can put on, right? We can put on a workshop, a master class, we can put on an online summit, or we can even put on a challenge. But ultimately, we want to make sure that we go out there with a profitable presentation. We ultimately help people at that profitable presentation, because when we go out there with that profitable presentation and specifically help people, right, we're going to tee up, right, when we start asking those people to start getting that help at the end of that presentation, which is exactly what we're going to be talking about next. All right, so you know what a profitable presentation is, and we talked a little bit about, specifically some of the different types of profitable presentations that you can run. Let's now talk about how do you make sales from profitable presentations, right? So this all starts really at the beginning. We need to make sure that we pick a perfect profitable niche. We need to make sure that we have a solution that solves their problem, and remember, solves their problem a lot quicker, right, than if they were to do it themselves. And we need to make sure that we go out there, right, and we talk about this, and we invite people, right, to come to our profitable presentations every single week. We're going to be doing this, right, by using things in our super online organic marketing system that we over here at Life Coach Launch teach every single day. And there's other videos here that talk about that super online organic marketing system here on my channel, and you can definitely go check those out. But here in what we classify in the third step as impact, we want to make sure that we're going out there every single week and creating a lot more impact for people in our life coach and healing businesses. And we do that by consistently running profitable presentations every single week, and specifically, right, asking people if they would like to continue getting our help at those profitable presentations at the end of the presentation. When they get to that profitable presentation, and then you specifically help them at that presentation, when you ask them at that end of the presentation, hey, right, if you got help from this, would you like to continue getting more of my help from this right now, right? If you're literally just say, hey, would you like to continue getting my help? Would you like to continue getting my help right now? A lot of people are going to say yes, because they just got that win, and guess what? Since they just got that win, and they're like, wow, like this person just helped me with something I didn't know how to figure out by myself. I know they can probably help me with this other thing that probably is related to the thing you just helped them with. So absolutely, a lot of people are going to go out there and they're going to be like, yes, I want your help to solve the bigger problem. And because of that, you're going to be able to build momentum. You're going to be able to sign up multiple clients each week. And guess what? When you consistently go out there and do this every single week, and you do this consistently, you're going to build so much momentum that every single week, every single month, right, and every single year, you're going to be able to go out there and start building up so much momentum that you're going to start signing up multiple people every single week and grow your life coaching business as big as you want to. Are you a life coach looking to sign up clients consistently? Well, I just came out with a brand new guide that goes over the exact Life Coach Launch system that I mentioned here in this video. That's a 3-step selling system where life coaches are going out every single week and signing up new clients with profitable presentations. So you can just click on that link down there in the description, and you can grab this free, right, 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and hope you choose to win by going down there and clicking on that free link down there below so you can grab your free copy of this 100K Life Coach Launch Guide. We'll see you in the next video.